Meanwhile, more Mindanao residents oppose calls for an all-out war in the region. They are for the continued pursuit of the peace process with Moro rebels. This report.
Peace advocates are optimistic that the Mamasapano clash is not an obstacle in attaining the peace in Mindanao. The advocates fear that the incident may have an impact on the pending passage of the Bangsamoro Basic Law. With this, peace advocates oppose the declaration of all-out war by some former national leaders. The peace promoters believe that an all-out war will only worsen the problem instead of resolving it.
Mayroon din namang mga grupo na nawagan ng all-out war at kasama na diyan yung dating presidente natin, si Presidente Erap, na yun din ang programa nyo na pulbusin ang mga Bangsamoro, ang Imalit. Nanawagan din siya na ganun pa rin daw ang solusyon. Pero nakikita natin na hindi naman ganun na nangyari.
The advocates assured that Mindanao is still vying for peace. They noted that the commandos went to Mamasapano not to attack the MILF but to capture a terrorist. Nevertheless, the promoters are crying for justice for the 44 fallen men of the PNP Special Action Force and urge the government to pursue peace talks with concerned groups in Mindanao. The peace advocates called on the Filipinos to work hand in hand with President Aquino in achieving lasting peace in Mindanao and the whole nation.
Kababayan na maging mahinahon, hindi tayo magpa-apekto sa pangyari na yan dahil alam po natin yan ay isang law enforcement operation na specific lamang po ang kanilang tinutugis. Yun lang po yung nasa katauhan po ni Marwan na hindi po Bangsamoro ang tinutugis kung hindi yung isang terorista lamang po. So tayo po ay hindi magpa-apekto at tulungan natin may pagpatuloy itong usaping Bangsamoro upang magkaroon tayo ng pangmatagalang solusyon at dito po at pangmatagalang kapayapaan.